Ground beef prices are completely out of control right now. So today, I'm breaking the rules to make the ultimate 15-minute Instant Pot meal for half the cost. We're taking a classic creamy shells and beef and kicking the beef to the curb, and swapping up some of the herbs, plus using a mystery meat. It's way cheaper, loaded with flavor, and cooks entirely in one pot. Just look at this ridiculously creamy sauce. Budget friendly, zero effort, absolute heaven. Let's get cooking.
Step 1. Sauté mode on. Drizzle in some oil and let it heat up while you question why you didn't order takeout tonight. Time for the flavor base. Dice up 1 yellow onion, try not to chop your finger off, and dump it right in. We're gonna sauté these for a solid 3 minutes. You want them soft, smelling incredible, and getting a little bit of color. Stir them around, keep them moving, and let the Instant Pot do the magic. Now for the meat. We're dropping in 1 pound of Italian sausage, and I went with hot because we like a little kick around here, but mild or sweet works great too. And honestly, with beef prices doing whatever it is they're doing at the grocery store right now, sausage is the real MVP. Break it up with your spoon, mix in those onions, and let it brown until it's cooked through. In goes half a teaspoon of black pepper. Simple, classic, and gives it that subtle little wake-up call we need. Next, throw in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Because a dish without garlic is just a missed opportunity for happiness. Now, add 1 teaspoon of salt. This is what's gonna pull all those amazing sausage and onion flavors together. Don't skip it, salt is our best friend. Now for some herb power. Add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Give everything a real good mix so all those herbs get coated in that delicious sausage grease. We're gonna let this saute for just 1 more minute to awaken all those flavors. Then hit that cancel button to turn saute mode off. Dump in 1 full box of shell pasta. Shells are elite because they're gonna act like little flavor buckets for all that sausage. Now, pour in 1 full jar of your favorite pasta sauce. Marinara, garlic, whatever makes your heart happy. Spread it all over those shells, but do not stir it in. We want to avoid that dreaded burn notice on the Instant Pot. Add 2 cups of water right over everything. Make sure those shells are nice and covered and we're almost ready to cook. Lock on the lid and make sure the valve is set to sealing. Set it to pressure cook for 5 minutes. As soon as that timer beeps, do an immediate quick release of the pressure so our pasta stays nice and al dente, not mushy. Quick question while it cooks. What's your absolute favorite pasta shape? Let me know down in the comments. In goes 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. And by 1 cup, I mean measure until your soul tells you to stop. For the ultimate finish, pour in 1.5 cups of half and half. Now, give everything 1 big glorious stir. Look at that sauce instantly transform into a rich, velvety, creamy masterpiece. The Parmesan is melting, the sausage smells unbelievable, and this beauty is officially ready to eat. But do not go anywhere. Stick around for the ultimate taste test coming up in a second. Plus, during the taste test, I'll drop a full written ingredients list and step-by-step instructions on the screen, so you can screenshot it and make this tonight. Let's dig in.
All right, moment of truth. I got it right here. Oh wow, that Italian sausage is an absolute game changer. It gives the sauce so much depth, it's ultra creamy, and we saved a ton of money kicking those crazy beef prices to the curb. This is officially on my weeknight go-to list. If you like this recipe or if you want more budget-friendly recipes, be sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you guys in the next video, and happy cooking.